back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. If you guys are OGs here on my channel, you guys know that I have a love-hate relationship with Fab Fit Fun, because a lot of the times it's a seasonal box, so it's not too bad. It's like about 49 or 44 something dollars every season, and it brings a lot of stuff, but most of the time the things that it brings I don't like. So I've never kept a subscription because of that, because I'm like, oh, I don't know, I don't need this, I don't like this, you know, whatever. But I saw some things in the spring box that I said, well, maybe I'm gonna like this. So let me get this box and unbox it for them, and we shall see. The box is really, really cute. Look at that. I love that. So the Fab Fit Fun box is a lifestyle box. It brings things like different kind of things. So I have this $15 off coupon code if you guys want to use it to sign up. If you guys are interested, like screenshot it or whatever it is. I'll try to put it in the description down below. But if not, you guys can screenshot it or whatever and use that code for $15 off. I got some stickers. And then they always send like this magazine. So this is the spring one. The magazine, it talks about all different things, and then it does talk about what's in your spring box, you know? So let's see. Let me get to the products. Okay, well, they usually had like a thing where it would tell you each product. I don't know, this is really weird. Right, so we also get something from, what is this? Wine. We also get HelloFresh meals, 17 free meals, but you do have to have it like a subscription and stuff. But how is it possible that they don't have... Okay, this is the new era now. I have to scan the code to see what's in the box. Here we go. Okay. Why? Why? I don't want to download the app. It's gonna make me download the app now. I don't want to do that. Well, I'll do it for you guys. With FabFitFun, there's certain things that you can customize. If you're like a annual subscriber, I think you can customize your whole entire box. Like you can pick whatever you want from the choices. And when you're not, I think you can pick like certain things. I don't remember how many, but all right. So in the first customization, you can pick, you could pick from these things, right? Those were the things you could pick from. And I decided to pick that robe because I thought it was so pretty. It's a Morgan Lane Alley robe in navy floral and white floral. And it's an 198 value. You know, I don't know if I believe that. So that's a little bit expensive for a robe. But I thought it was really, really pretty. This is the robe right here. It's kind of like a silky type material. It has pockets. And it has like the little tie right here. Why do I do this to myself? I like hardly ever use robes. But anyway, I wanted it. So I'm gonna put it on. Maybe I should keep it on for the rest of this video. What do you guys think? It's pretty, I like it. It's a pretty robe. So maybe since it's so pretty, I'm gonna be inspired to use it. This is one of the things that called my attention to like subscribing to this again because of that. All right, so the next customization you could pick from those things right there. And if I'm not mistaken, I picked the pharmacy product. Let me check. Yes, that is exactly what I picked. I picked the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. I love products with honey in them. And, okay. I really, really, really wanted to try this moisturizer. And the packaging is so cute. I love the packaging. And it has its own little spatula there. And it's apparently magnetic, which is nice. Can't wait to try that out. I want to see the smell. It just smells like a regular cream. It doesn't smell like honey or anything like that. But I definitely wanted to try that. So the next thing, let's see, that retailed for $45. The next thing that you could pick from was these things here. And if I'm not mistaken, I picked the sunglasses, I think. All right, so let's see. Yes, that is exactly what I picked. So they're from Prive Revaux, I guess, the Juliette Black sunglasses, and they're $39.95 value. All right. This is what they look like. Oh, they're kind of cute. I can't even see myself. What happened here? Okay. Yeah, I like them. They're cute. How do you like how they look on me, guys? All right, so I picked that. I like them. Yeah, because everything else I wasn't really interested, like Kate Somerville and Umbrella, you know, those studs. I have studs like that, so I was like, okay, no. Then customization 4, so we're already on 4 things I was able to customize, was from these products. And I know I picked the one in the middle right there. So that one, that is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. I wanted to try that because I had tried It's a 10 before, but not the one with keratin. And this is $22 is what it retails for. I want to see if it smells. So it's like a leave-in, yeah, it's a leave-in conditioner. So, all right, it smells pretty good. I smelled it and I didn't tell you guys. It smells pretty good. All right, so I believe that everything else, yes, everything else was put in the box by FabFitFun. So if I was an annual member, I would have been able to customize the 5th product from these 4 right here. I was not able to customize that because I'm not an annual subscriber, but they sent the clips over, which is not bad because I always need clips. These are the clips, and those retail for $33. It's a 2-pack. Gemelli Jenna clip. I feel like a lot of these things are so overpriced. That's why I'm kind of like, And then customization 6, that people that are annual subscribers could have customized was all of those things right there. So we shall see what I got. All right, so let's see what I got from that. So what I got was a hand scrub and a cuticle pen. So this is the hand scrub, and the retail for this is $65. Oh, and it also comes with this shadow stick as well. So all of that retails for $65. And that is it for the spring box. It was okay. I liked what I was able to customize. The price isn't so bad. I got a robe, I got some sunglasses, I got the pharmacy thing I wanted to try. So that's all good. Everything else is kind of more like, you know, more on the gimmicky side. Not gimmicky, but you know what I mean, like more on like the whatever side. That's why I always have like a FabFitFun love and hate relationship, because I just don't always feel like I like everything that comes in it. So I only get it every so often, like when I like something that comes in the box, something that's gonna be, that I'm able to customize that I like. That's the only time that I pick up this box. So let me know what you guys think. I'll definitely link them down below if you guys wanna subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.